Did you see that? So you found the epoch box. Obviously you know how that works because you're using it. And then I have an EMF meter on the bed here. If you come up to it, thank you.
And there's the music box on the floor.
Did you see that?
It flickered up for a second.
There's a lot of activity up here.
Can you go by the music box?
Is that your name, Lee? So this is the attic. Your name is not Lee. Is that you making noise?
What noise are you hearing?
Like a rubbing sound? Is that you making the rubbing sound?
I hate you.
It's not very nice.
Why do you hate her?
You don't like me very much?
I heard that. It's like a...
I'm also hearing a weird thumping sound behind me. Are you sure that's not you?
I'm sure.
You're not hearing that.
Hearing what?
The thumping sound.
No. Do you hear it again?
Yes.
I think I heard it come from downstairs. I heard it. You hear it?
Stale air.
What did it say?
Stale air. It is stale.